Hi viewers, welcome once again to Naya Chef. Kids are in their vacation mode. They need something different as evening snack, right? So mothers will be confused of giving kids what to do as evening snack or tea time snack. It should be healthy as well as tasty, as well as it should attract kids too. So today we are going to make a snack with jackfruit seed. The name of the recipe is jackfruit seed bhaji. So let's start our preparation. Before that, please support Naya Chef by subscribing and pressing the bell icon. If you press the bell icon, you will not miss any videos posted by Naya Chef. So let's start our preparation. Before that, we can check out the ingredients needed for this preparation. So the first and key ingredient is jackfruit seed. This is 10 to 12 jackfruit seed. I have cut into, sliced into 2 pieces. This is besan flour. I have taken half a cup of besan flour. This is idli batter, idli or dosa batter you can take. I usually used to make bhaji with this by using this idli batter. It will give a special taste. If you don't have, you don't want to add, instead of that you can add rice powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder. I have taken 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This is normal chili powder. I have taken half a teaspoon. If you don't have Kashmiri chili powder, you can use this chili powder according to your taste. This is turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. This is hing powder, 1/4 teaspoon. I have crushed jeera, that is 1/4 teaspoon. This is baking soda. I have taken 2 pinch of baking soda. This is optional. If you need, you can. Salt to taste. Water as required. Oil to fry. Now take a pressure cooker like this. To this add the washed and sliced jackfruit seed. I have taken 12 jackfruit seed. To this add required water and salt to taste. Mix well and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Now I have cooked the jackfruit seed and have removed it from the cooker and allowed it to cool for 2 minutes. So don't overcook it. It should be like this. Okay. Now next we can prepare the bhaji batter. Now take a bowl like this. To this add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hing powder, crushed jeera, salt to taste. Mix well. Then add half cup of besan flour and half or 3 to 4 tablespoon of idli batter. If you don't have this, you can add some rice powder. Just mix it. If you are adding idli batter, don't add water immediately, because idli batter has some moisture content, right? So mix it, then we have to add water. Now pour sufficient water and make it into bhaji batter consistency. Always use a balloon whisk like this. It will be very useful. Lumps will not be formed. Now my bhaji batter is ready. To this add 1 to 2 pinch of baking soda. Mix well. Keep it aside. Now keep a frying pan like this. Add oil to fry. Now let the oil get heated. Now my oil got heated. Now take this jackfruit seed, dip in this batter and make bhajis like this. Just take the jackfruit seed, dip in the batter. Don't keep in high flame, just keep in medium flame. Put all the jackfruit seed like this. Now our bhaji is ready. You can transfer this into a plate. I will show you after transferring this into a serving plate. So our yummy jackfruit seed bhaji is ready. It's a nice and super tea time snack for your kids as well as you, for all your family members. Please do try this recipe. Since it's a jackfruit season, it is you can get this jackfruit seed. So please do try this recipe and post your comments in the comment box. Please support Naya Chef by subscribing, sharing and liking. See you again with a new and a variety recipe in the forthcoming videos. Till then, it's bye.